Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. So we will trade in right now BTC. What it is BTC here? We need to execute our trade right now because I just see here bigger candle. This is our buying here, right? So our stop loss under this candle because you can see this exactly. We just see the great good candle in support level. We just did you see this one is the very good candle here. So this is live trade here. I will explain why should I trade here. This is first of all things I will show you. As bigger support level, this is support level here, guys. We go with 1 hour. You can see the biggest candle. When you want to execute a trade, you have to use your 15 minutes time frame. So this is your support level. This is bigger support level. This support level, right? So this is actually if it's breakout this one, it's already breakout that level, and I hope. I can see one more move downside if it's my SL this one I can buy from again here. But the thing is it is bullish, right? So if it's cross six level 60,600 is going to a market upside, right? It's bullish pattern, right? That's why we buying from here. And again, I just we if I see it is so far trend line and other things, if it's not break that level, we have to buy from this one area here. This is buying area here, 61,900, right? But the things is very clear in 15 minute. I just we see here the bigger support level. We see here bigger candle. That's why we have to buy from here. This is under this one trade support level little bit far, and your target will be cross the level here. Right. So, well, full confirmations where we get from full confirmations from when they break that level upside, and then we get full confirmations for buying. But right now, if I see here it's good candle, then in a support from downside and SL hunting is crossing here, then we have see this moment is very nice in trading, right? As we show you, this is our here uh, this is our signal here, gold. I have posted in Twitter. I hope you go there. Check it out there. Posted Twitter. I posted here. We have to buy from here this area. And then you check now, see the level. It's going to very craziest execute our trade here from C. This is going to good. So right now we are in profit. We have to close our trade here this area. This is the selling zone here. We have to sell from this one area here, 66, and we can sell from 64 626 64. We can sell from here a little bit. We can wait if I see the little more things like this, so we can close here trade 61 62 level, right? So wait a little bit because it's uptrend totally, so we can wait, guys, right? So this is exactly the this signals what we are provided in Twitter. You can go there, check it out, guys. This is very nice. We achieve our target. See this one. This is the first target. This is the achiever target, right? You see here. This is achiever. This is first. So I just posted this one in Twitter, and let's go right now. I just check this one is live right now. It's running its profit. Very nice. In BTC, this is live right now. It's live. Okay, this is normally if I hit my SL, I have to wait for downside movement. I think I can buy from here. Yeah, I can buy from this trend line. Can wait for this trend line again, downside, and then movement upside. But the things, it's fine. If it's move again, market can go push back upside. If I because of I see this candle, it's very nice, right? So that's why it's any support level. If you see any support level, it's like a hammer and you have to buy. Make sure you have to buy, guys. If you see this hammer in support level, you have to buy your trade. That's why. So let's see other trades. I just we see oil right now. What is exactly is going on in the oil? I just we use 1 hour. First of all, you have to use 1 hour time frame. There's the C. I hope already update this one in Twitter. You can go check it out. You can see there, right? So this is the support level. This is resistance. We already closed here, and close now. We already closed. We already closed it. But right now we didn't get any right entry. If I see, this is the logical. It's already retesting in trend line here. If you see here, and then we have. Okay. So we go with we go short. We just take the short trade here. You guys 15 minutes. You just go in 15 minutes. What I see here in 15 minutes, because it's possible the market can go 50, 65 again downside, guys. That's why it's not be going upside. It's downtrend market. That's why we have to take a trade. It's support resistance level. Retesting this level resistance level. It was it is the this is resistance, right? So this is a selling area from here. I think maximum trade is going downside from here, right? So if I see, this is, we can wait for here the bits going upside, and I just we have a trade, we can execute a trade from here, but very less stop loss, right? Very less, and then we can keep ours downside for long. Keep long your selling, because we have to sell gold also. Gold we can keep selling, guys, but we can sell from here. Just wait for a little bit far, a little bit more, and we can sell from here, right? One thing's, it's common here. It is a support level. If I see in 15 minutes, that's a support level, right? He break out, try to break the support level upside in 15 minutes, right? So, but the things, but we have to focus on selling. If it's breakout upside, so we just need to buy from other area. If I see your upside movement and like this, I will explain like this, then go upside. But the one thing is possible is market can go 65 again, because it's double top double bottom. If you see in a 1 hour, then see, it's possible to come back again, not the proper support this one, but maybe we can see this one here area. You can see here like this. So it's possible, so it's not be like we can close here or trade, right? So let's go with the BTC. We're talking about BTC because we execute our trade in a live right now. This is totally uptrend. Very nice. It's 15 minutes. We use here 15 minutes right now. We execute our trade in 15 minutes. That's why we have to use all the time. It's 15 minutes time frame. Okay, guys, it's pushing this price upside maybe. So I hope we just execute our trade is very nicely here. So let's, there are five minutes. Give me a 5 minutes. We will show you this trade is successfully or not. Right? So guys, this trade is going to lose maybe, but I'm not a confirmations. But I see here is this is the predictions. 1 2 time is retesting here. I think this market is going up. Maybe this time can retest here this area, and market can go upside and downside. And this is the way here to the maximum, because this is didn't retesting here. True line did not retesting here. Did not retesting here. Maybe this time can retest here, but this is the, I think, next scenario. So we have to wait like 62 62 62 62 200 61 900 61 900. We have to wait here. Maybe we can see the this one level here, right? So downside this one, but if it's break out this one level, and then market can go like this again, fall down, and then we can reach the next low high. This is the last scenarios, guys. If it's pushed this from this 161 900 level, if it's pushed back from this one area here, so we can reach the new high here from like 71 72 73. So this is the way, but one time it's compulsory to retest this trend line and go back again, right? So this is the way, it's how it's working here, how is market working here. I think we are going to lose. We can go in 15 minutes right now. We just check here what is exactly going on in 15 minutes. What we see here? See here. This is This is the making red candle, all of the red candle here. So make sure I'm in hurry. I have because my trade is proper right here because it's make a good candle here in support level. I'm not wrong here because it's market not also wrong, but I am not also wrong. This is exactly, you can see this is the candle here. This is very good candle. Again, he make the green candle. That's why I execute my trade here. That's fine, right? But there is nothing is wrong, right? So maybe can market go from here and here. My SL is little hard, but it's fine. 66 363 600 I can wait for here. And if it's break out this downside, it's fine, guys, close it your trade. Don't keep your open positions, but it's going to next low. And then if I see here some v-shaped recovery, then I can buy again. But it's possible from this support level, and again if it's break out that level, and I can wait this trend line. So I go with the sale. If it's break out this one 62 600 level, I can go with the sale. I just keep my as selling 61 900. If I see retesting again break out downside and down, go with downside 60 59 maybe better, maybe. So right now it's risky, maybe we can give this one SL. Well, let's see, guys. It's 90, 80, 90% is confirmations. If it's breakout this week, that's confirmations to market not want to go downside. But let's see. It still have support level here. It's try to push this market upside, and then that's good for us, right? It try to break. It try to push the market upside. That's good. Let's see, guys. In 5 minutes, we see you again. Come back, guys. I think we just get the recovery. I think we just see here good candle. It's green candle here. I hope and gold is going good also, and BTC is going also good. Because if you are right, no one can beat you. But make sure you have to see the right candle. You have to see the right support level, and everything. So you get everything is perfectly right. Let's see now and see you in after 5 minutes. Let's see what is next candle should be. We can see the next here 63 900. We can go up, right? So it's good candle here, and it's tried to double bottom downside, and we can see the great moment here. A lot of check. So finally, guys, market in come back with us. That's good. See the confirmations. This is full confirmations right now. We just see the double bottom here, and it's going to very good, going to be very nice. I hope, and it's going right here and here. We can add our quantity here 63 900, and then we can keep our positions here 64 600. Right. So we just wait for breakout this one area here. If it's breakout this one area, we can go a little bit far here. That's good things, and I will explain in the gold right now. It is what is exactly going on here. This totally market want to go 2663. Either we have to sell from this one selling zone area, and you can keep your selling just a little bit far downside. We just keep our 60 to 40. This is the next level here downside, and then we can buying from again 60 2640 level here 2640 and 2639. That's the level for buying positions for downside. If it's break out that one, no. If it not break that one, we can keep our buying here still upside. And it's BTC, that's going very nice. And we try to break this one. If it's break out this 63 8 and 8 and 8 and 8, and then we can go up up, right? So let's see, guys, and see you next video. I hope you go with our Twitter channel. This is loss of signal here. It is free for everyone people. And then what we are doing here, this is next to other days, and next other days we just give this one signals here for free. Everyone just go there, check it out, and lots of free signals, right? So this is good for everyone. This is here, see this one USD JPY. That's good. Also this is for Ethereum USD. We reached the target is good. And this is oil here, you can see here. If you want to VIP channel, you can use here. This one fees is 100 $1000. You can use this one, and then you can contact us, our team. They can provide for everything here. So 2 week is pro trader. I confirmations. This is hundreds, hundreds days, like sorry, 6 12 days, 30 days, 12 13 days. We just give you the all of the details for you, and discipline and everything's what we are rules, what we are discipline in our trading journey. Then we give everything for you. This is 100%. It's nothing is free. It's only for this person who is serious for about trading, right? So this was great, guys. See you in next video. I hope we achieve our this target, guys, for everyone. Next week, next day, we will make you next videos, right? Thank you so much. It was a great move here. Thank you so much. See you next video.